Hey guys, this is Mr. H. This is question number 9 from the June 2024 Algebra 1 Regents exam. They've given us a function and they want us to find the zeros. This is a very straightforward question, especially if you have the graph. The graph will show you exactly where the zeros are. Zeros are basically where the function or the graph crosses the x-axis. So all we're going to do is remember my rule. If they give you a function, you should almost always graph it. That should be your first instincts. As soon as you see f of x equals boom, 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 grab your calculator and start graphing. So let me go get my calculator and start graphing. So here I'm going to have x, and then I'm going to have parentheses x minus 5, parentheses 3x plus 6, parentheses, and then I press enter. Boom. And I get this error message. Now, I've covered this with my class a bunch of times, and a lot of times they forget and they get freaked out when they see this error message. Now, here's what's going on. The calculator is getting confused. Whenever it has parentheses and a variable outside of the parentheses, the calculator goes, oh, you're trying to create a function. And we're not trying to create a function. And it's saying, you can't create a function over here like this because you got this other stuff over here. But we're not trying to create a function. We're trying to do multiplication. So we have to make it explicit. So all you have to do to fix this error is just put an actual multiplication. Now the calculator knows that you're not trying to create a function. It's saying, oh, you're just going to be multiplying x times this parentheses. So that's all you have to do. And then you press enter. Boom. And you can see, or you should see, there are 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Now, so as soon as you know that, you know it can't be either 3 or 4 because they have only 2 zeros. But we're going to find the actual zeros. We're just going to use menu, analyze. Now, I've been showing you guys this, but if you forget 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, just go to analyze the graph. All the good stuff that you need is in there. In this case, we want 0. So we're just going to do 1. And you start on the left. And then you go by until you see the word 0. So that's the 0. One of the zeros is a -2. We're just going to do it again. Menu 61 again. Start on the left. Pull it to the right till you see the word 0. So there's another 0. And then do it one more time. Menu 61. Come here. Pull it to the right. So here are 3 zeros. -2, 0, and 5. Those are zeros. So we come here. And those are the ones that we do. It was, why did I forget that? It's -2, 0, 5. So that's going to be number 2. So I would come here and I would circle number 2 and we're done. Okay, that's it. Nothing more. Those are our zeros. The only thing you guys should take, or one of the things you should take away is if you have a variable outside of parentheses, you're going to have to put a multiplication between them. Otherwise, the calculator gets confused. All right. Hope you guys have to remember that because sometimes that's what happens. A lot of y'all forget that that's how you fix things. All right. So now I'm going to stop and post.